Hi and welcome to this short video looking at lawn mowing health and safety. The aims. We want to look at what we need to wear to be able to be safe when we're mowing. We want to look at how to fill a mower with petrol safely, and we're going to look at how to use the mower safely. So what to wear? You'll need some strong work boots, a pair of ear defenders, and you can wear some gloves if you'd like. Now we know what to wear, let's move on to filling the mower safely. You'll need a plastic box, a jug and your petrol can. Unscrew the lid from the petrol can and place back inside the plastic tub. Take the jug, hold it over the plastic box and pour in some petrol. You don't need to fill the jug, just put a small amount in. Place the lid back on the petrol can and place the petrol can back inside the plastic tub. Unscrew the fuel cap on the lawnmower and slowly and carefully pour in the petrol from the jug. Replace the lid on the cap on the lawnmower, and then any spare fuel you can pour back into the petrol can. Again, doing this over the plastic box. Replace the lid on the petrol can and then put the jug away safely. Put the box somewhere safe and then you're ready to go. Next we're going to look at safe mowing, some simple rules to keep you safe. So the rules of safe mowing: 1. Be aware of others. 2. Don't rush. 3. Avoid obstacles. 4. Avoid steep slopes. And 5. Don't try and fix the mower yourself, especially turning it upside down when it's running. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful.